Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, I'm gonna show you how to tell if your charger is DC related, if it don't work, or AC related. All right, that way you know whether you got to open your charger up and look at your module board. If you go to my page and type in PowerWise Golf Cart Whisperer, you will find another video on troubleshooting the whole thing. So what you want to do is, we're gonna plug the charger into the plug. All right, plug her in, Jay. Now we're plugging her in. Now listen to the charger. All right. Now you heard the charger click. So what we're going to do now is unplug the AC power. Let me see the AC power. Let them see it. Unplug it and put the cord up here. So right now he's unplugging the AC power. And I'm unplugging the DC. All right. So this is the. All right. So this here is the AC power for the charger itself. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in. Plug her in. And I'm going to set the phone back over here and see if you can hear it. Now listen.
Oh, actually does.
All right, he just plugged it back in. Now listen to it.
Magic.
All right, now you heard the charger click. Now it clicks without the AC cord plugged in. And what that click does, it tells the charger that the batteries are putting voltage out to activate the relay inside the charger. So now I'm handing in the AC power. Bring the drop cord up here. And he's going to plug it in. And look at the charger. It's back on. So if you plug your charger into if you got a problem with a PowerWise charger, plug the DC cord into the car without the drop cord plugged in. If you hear it click, you know it's AC related. 99% of the time, AC related means you got your GFI breaker tripped or you have a breaker tripped in your house. Now, if you plug this in and it don't click, then you probably got a problem with your module board, with a connection in here. You can see in here he got a bad connection problem. That's why earlier when we touched it, it didn't work. So what we're going to do here is what you want to do there. Who is here? What you want to do is take this like this. Take it. That there to clean the contacts out inside your cord. All right, and it clicked again. And now if you touch it, it don't kick out no more. Or you could go to my page and I'll show you how to bypass the little contact in there, which is normally the one that goes bad. You just hook it to your transformer and you bypass that from causing a problem. But all right, man, stay tuned, man.